Welcome to English Daily Lesson. Learn 25 colors name in English. Let's start. Red. Red. Meaning, a bright color like blood. Meaning, a bright color like blood. Sentence, the apple is red. Sentence, the apple is red. Blue. Blue. Meaning, the color of the sky. Meaning, the color of the sky. Sentence, the sky is blue. Sentence, the sky is blue. Green. Green. Meaning, the color of grass. Meaning, the color of grass. Sentence, the grass is green. Sentence, the grass is green. Yellow. Yellow. Meaning, a bright color like the sun. Meaning, a bright color like the sun. Sentence, the sun is yellow. Sentence, the sun is yellow. Black. Black. Meaning, the darkest color. Meaning, the darkest color. Sentence, the car is black. Sentence, the car is black. White. White. Meaning, the lightest color. Meaning, the lightest color. Sentence, the shirt is white. Sentence, the shirt is white. Orange. Orange. Meaning, a color between red and yellow. Meaning, a color between red and yellow. Sentence, the orange is orange. Sentence, the orange is orange. Pink. Pink. Meaning, a light red color. Meaning, a light red color. Sentence, the flower is pink. Sentence, the flower is pink. Purple. Purple. Meaning, a mix of red and blue. Meaning, a mix of red and blue. Sentence, the dress is purple. Sentence, the dress is purple. Brown. Brown. Meaning, the color of wood or soil. Meaning, the color of wood or soil. Sentence, the table is brown. Sentence, the table is brown. Gold. Gold. Meaning, a shiny yellow metal color. Meaning, a shiny yellow metal color. Sentence, the ring is gold. Sentence, the ring is gold. Gray. Gray. Meaning, a mix of black and white. Meaning, a mix of black and white. Sentence, the road is gray. Sentence, the road is gray. Silver. Silver. Meaning, a shiny gray metal color. Meaning, a shiny gray metal color. Sentence, the spoon is silver. Sentence, the spoon is silver. Violet. Violet. Meaning, a light purple color. Meaning, a light purple color. Sentence, the flower is violet. Sentence, the flower is violet. Indigo. Indigo. Meaning, a deep blue color. Meaning, a deep blue color. Sentence, the color is indigo. Sentence, the color is indigo. Maroon. Maroon. Meaning, a dark red color. Meaning, a dark red color. Sentence, the shirt is maroon. Sentence, the shirt is maroon. Beige. Beige. Meaning, a light brown color. Meaning, a light brown color. Sentence, the wall is beige. Sentence, the wall is beige. Cyan. Cyan. Meaning, a light blue-green color. Meaning, a light blue-green color. Sentence, the light is cyan. Sentence, the light is cyan. Olive. Olive. Meaning, a dark yellow-green color. Meaning, a dark yellow-green color. Sentence, the jacket is olive. Sentence, the jacket is olive. Navy blue. Navy blue. Meaning, a dark blue color. Meaning, a dark blue color. Sentence, the dress is navy blue. Sentence, the dress is navy blue. Sky blue. Sky blue. Meaning, a light blue color. Meaning, a light blue color. Sentence, the bag is sky blue. Sentence, the bag is sky blue. Dark green. Dark green. Meaning, a deep green color. Meaning, a deep green color. Sentence, the leaves are dark green. Sentence, the leaves are dark green. Light pink. Light pink. Meaning, a very soft pink color. Meaning, a very soft pink color. Sentence, the rose is light pink. Sentence, the rose is light pink. Dark red. Dark red. Meaning, a deep red color. Meaning, a deep red color. Sentence, the car is dark red. Sentence, the car is dark red.